Welcome to the installation video of the CURT 18325 truck bed extender. The CURT truck bed extender is a universal part, which means it'll fit many trucks on the road today. Begin by locating the tailgate latching post on your truck. The size of your tailgate latching post will determine which extender side gate will fit on the driver or passenger side. Determine which side gate cutout fits your latching post, then slide the gate cutout over the post. Next, locate the triangular pocket on the tailgate. It will look like this. These mounting tabs can be attached in a few positioning options, making it a custom fit for your truck. Determine which way the mounting tab will mount to the gate and within the pocket. That eliminates most side-to-side play. If your truck does not have a pocket, mount the tab so that it is flush against the side of the tailgate. Using the included M6 carriage bolts, M6 fender washers, and nylock nuts to mount the mounting tab. Do not over-tighten the hardware. Next, locate the adjustable latching pins included in the hardware pack. Push the latching pin down into the tailgate latch until it latches into place. Then secure the latch pin to the side gate through the slotted cutouts at the bottom with M6 carriage bolts, M6 fender washers, and nylock nuts. Remember, do not over-tighten the hardware. Repeat this installation process with the opposite truck bed extender side gate. Secure the end gate by inserting one pin into the bottom corner pinhole of one of the side gates. Then retract the opposite pin and insert that pin into the opposite remaining pinhole. Lift the gate up into position using the top pins to secure the gate into its upright position. Congratulations, you have now successfully installed the 18325 truck bed extender from CURT. Thank you for watching this video. Now get ready to bring it.